should ask him.
Ask him.
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy.
What? What?
Hey.
Daddy.
We ain't gonna use potty.
I got pee.
Potty? Go.
But
No, it's Boogeyman. No.
Booger Man will get us.
Booger man.
Just come on, Daddy.
We go.
Hey, hold your horses.
Go.
Ugh.
Okay. I'll lead the way.
Ugh.
I'll fight them off with my sword.
Shut up.
Okay.
Put my sandals on.
Ready?
Get out of my way.
Yeah. Thank you, sweet
Get
boy.
out of here. Ugh. Yeah.
Oh, wait. It's dark.
You feel right on, Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy?
Yeah. Daddy?
Coming or what? Shut up. Wake me up at 2:30 in the morning. Hey guys. What?
I've been here.
I'm not gonna go with you guys.
Come on.
Why would I? The bathroom. Just switch right here. Come on, guys.
You sit right there and you wait.
Okay, I will.
Okay, I love you and I don't want to die.
Okay,
I love you.
okay. Hey, no. Don't go with him. That's not right. Okay? Go.
Come with me.
No, I'm not going in with you. You're weird. Stay right over here.
Okay. Make sure you can hear me in here so I don't die.
Okay.
In the morning, feeling mighty and giddy. When I got to the before I leave the tea, take a bottle of Jack. Leave on the night. Touching fingers on my toes. I'm like, as if I'm out the door. I'm gonna take this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of toothpaste. And when I come back, I'll be my toes. I'm talking fingers on my toes. I'm blowing them up. My toes. I'm talking on my toes. Victory! Now it's your turn.
Yep, your turn, bub.
It's
No.
not that hard.
Are you sure you want to come with me?
Hey,
No.
Jeffrey.
Do not.
Jeffrey, take this.
I appreciate that.
Thank you. You'll do good.
Good?
You did good?
You turn right off.
Dad?
I'm great.
My sword.
Aw,
My sword!
peed on the walls. Ugh. Come on, you munchkins.
Speaking sword.
Come on. You guys need to man up.
You're first. Oh.
Give me the number.
Stop.
No, God. God, it's okay. No. Do not do that. It's okay. No, are you okay? Simon. Okay. Okay. No. Don't do this. You know better than that. Come on, let's get to bed. Ow! Don't hit me in the head with a sword.
Sorry.
God.
He's
Jeez.
Loser head.
Oh, hey, no. Lose your heads in this house.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I don't want to be left.
We're perpetuity.
Shut up. Do whatever the heck you do. No, this is where I sleep. Okay? You guys are not bunking with me. No.
He's right here.
Come in, Daddy.
No. I'm not sleeping. No. I'm not sleeping.
Tickle.
No. Tickle my butt.
You're the best daddy
Go.
in the world.
Stop. Guys are weird.
Daddy.
No.
Come on, Dad.
Stop.
Dad. Come on.
Kids, getting out of control.
Good night, Dad.
You're seriously
Good
like
night,
sleeping in my bed.
Dad. Wake me in the morning.
I want pancakes.
I love you.
Wonderful.
Do something meaner. Good night, Dad. Dad, I wet the bed.
Oh God.